Welcome back to our English learning podcast on body fitness. In the last segment, Ayesha shared her personal fitness journey and the small changes that helped her get started. Today, we will talk about daily fitness habits and simple exercises that beginners can do at home.
Hello, sir. I'm happy to share my daily routine with everyone.
Wonderful. Let's start with the basics. Ayesha, what is the first thing you do in the morning for fitness?
Sir, I wake up early, around 6:30 a.m. Then I drink a glass of water to start my day.
Excellent. Drinking water in the morning is very important. It helps your body wake up and flush out toxins.
Yes, sir. I also take a few deep breaths to feel fresh.
Very good. Pronunciation tip. The word breathe is pronounced as breathe. The sound at the end is soft, like th in this.
Breathe. Okay, sir. I will remember.
Great. After that, what do you do next?
I start my stretching exercises. I stretch my arms, legs, and back. Sometimes I follow a video for beginners.
Perfect. Stretching helps your muscles become flexible and prevents injuries.
Grammar tip. When you describe a routine, we use present simple tense. For example, I wake up early. I stretch my arms. I drink water.
Oh, I understand. So I can say, I walk for 10 minutes after stretching. Exactly. Very natural sentence.
Thank you, sir.
What about exercises after stretching?
I do simple exercises like squats, jumping jacks, and push-ups. At first, I could only do 5 push-ups. Now, I can do 20.
That's great progress. Grammar tip. To talk about ability in the past and present, we can use could and can. For example, I could only do 5 push-ups before. Now, I can do 20 push-ups.
Oh, I see. Thank you, sir.
What about walking or running?
After my exercises, I walk for about 15 to 20 minutes in my garden or nearby park. Walking gives me energy and clears my mind.
Very good. Walking is simple but very effective. Expression tip. Clear your mind means to relax and feel peaceful.
Yes, sir. Walking in the morning makes me feel happy and ready for the day.
That's wonderful. And what about food habits?
I eat a healthy breakfast, like eggs, fruits, or oatmeal. I try to avoid sugar and fried food.
Excellent. Breakfast is important because it gives your body energy for the day.
Yes, sir. I also eat small meals during the day and drink plenty of water.
Very good. Drinking water regularly is very important for fitness.
Expression tip. Plenty of water means enough water, usually around 6 to 8 glasses a day.
Yes, sir. I also avoid soft drinks now. Smart choice. What about snacks?
I eat healthy snacks, like nuts, fruits, or yogurt.
Perfect. Healthy snacks prevent hunger between meals and keep your energy steady.
Yes, sir. And sometimes I reward myself with a small chocolate if I complete my exercises.
That's a good idea. Rewarding yourself helps you stay motivated.
Expression tip. Stay motivated means to keep interest and energy in your goal.
Yes, sir. Motivation is very important. Absolutely. Now, let's talk about weekly routines. Ayesha, how many days a week do you exercise?
I try to exercise 5 days a week, sir. 2 days, I rest or do light stretching.
That is perfect. Rest is also a part of fitness. Your muscles need time to recover.
Yes, sir. At first, I tried to exercise 7 days a week, but I became very tired.
That is a common mistake. Overdoing exercise can be harmful.
Yes, sir. Now I know balance is important. Exercise, food, water, sleep, and rest.
Excellent point, Ayesha. Grammar tip. Use and to connect important points in a sentence. For example, exercise, food, water, sleep, and rest are important for fitness.
Oh, I see. That's helpful, sir.
Now, let's talk about some fun ways to exercise. Not everyone likes the gym.
Yes, sir. I like dancing. I dance to my favorite songs for 15 to 20 minutes. It makes me happy and active.
That's wonderful. Dancing is both fun and good for your body.
Yes, sir. Sometimes I also play badminton or walk with my friends.
Excellent. Exercising with friends makes it more enjoyable and keeps you consistent.
Yes, sir. It is more fun than exercising alone.
Very good, Ayesha. Now, for our listeners, let's give a simple daily fitness plan for beginners. Morning. Wake up early, drink water, do 5 to 10 minutes of stretching. Morning exercises. 5 to 10 push-ups, squats, or jumping jacks. Walk or jog. 15 to 20 minutes, outside or in your home. Breakfast. Eat something healthy, like fruits, eggs, or oatmeal. During the day, drink water, eat small healthy snacks, avoid soft drinks. Evening, optional, light exercises or a short walk. Night, sleep early to give your body rest.
That sounds very easy and doable, sir. Beginners can follow this plan easily.
Exactly. Beginners should start small and gradually increase time and intensity.
Yes, sir. And the key is consistency, not speed.
Perfect, Ayesha. That's very important.
Expression tip. Consistency is key. Means doing something regularly is more important than doing it fast or perfectly. I like that phrase, sir. I will remember it.
Excellent. In the next segment, we will talk about challenges, staying motivated, and overcoming obstacles during fitness and healthy lifestyle journeys.
I'm excited to share that with our listeners, sir.
Wonderful! See you in Podcast 4, Challenges and Staying Motivated.